Good morning, everyone. Professors, dean, university members present here. Myself, Kaushiki, a student of BSc Honours Agriculture at Veer Kuwar Singh College of Agriculture, Dumra. And today I stand here in front of you all presenting my views in the favor of motion, that is, digital marketing in agriculture. As agriculture industry requires modern techniques in marketing so that it can reach to a wider range of audience. Digital marketing helps us convert people into customers by educating them about our products or service on a global scale. Farmers are now having access to modern farming methods and techniques. This knowledge will definitely help them increase their productivity. Let us talk about India. Being a developing country inching towards modernization by each passing day, India is an agriculture based economy. The reason we say this is because even now, farming is the main source of livelihood for more than 58% of the country's population. Agriculture contributes about 19.9% to the India's GDP and gives more than 50% employment to the people. When it becomes to infrastructure for the agribusiness, we can safely say that it is below par when compared to other economies. Connectivity is the biggest issue to establish digital modes of farming. Illiteracy and unwillingness of the farmers to opt for new methods is another challenge which needs to be cleared. Nearly 72% of the farmers do not help them adopt the latest technology for better production. More than 40% farmers are unable to access the credit, insurance, and marketing services set up by government institutions. Digital marketing have the following advantages to offer to farmers. Direct communication, thus eliminating the need of middlemen, which will result in benefits to the farmers. Knowledge growth will let them know the latest technology and techniques which can be implemented to increase the productivity. Wider reach is needless to say that digital marketing will help reach widen, thus cater to a larger audience. This will help boost their sales and facilitate increase in revenue. Though digital marketing penetrated the agriculture quite late, but it is beneficial and necessary to this modern world. So at the end, I want to say, let's try to help farmers in digitalization and making India a digital marketer in agriculture also. That's all. Thank you.